Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for the Cottage, Wynd, Strathmiglo. This is an idyllic, spacious, 4-bedroom, 2-reception, 2-bathroom, link detached family home tucked away on a quiet street in the sought-after village of Strathmiglo. This family home has so much on offer that I can't wait to show you. You've got a driveway for 2 vehicles, garden space, then heading inside you've got a family kitchen diner, a reception room that has perfect storage, 2 bedrooms on the lower level, as well as a newly renovated wet room, so you do have the option for 1-level living. Heading upstairs you have a further reception room. It's actually these windows just here, so it gives you lovely views over the rooftops of Strathmiglo, 2 further bedrooms and a bathroom. So it really is a fantastic family home in an ideal location. So let's head inside, start the tour, and as always you have to keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property, the Cottage. So to give you an idea, this is where you're link detached and you stem the whole length to the end just here. And as you can see, you've got a couple of entrance points, brand new front door, and then you've got 2 sets of patio doors. Before we head inside, let me talk you through the outdoor space. So you have this raised bed for mature shrubs and plants. You can just imagine some amazing colour in there. And then you have space for 2 vehicles. And then just for a reference for where we are, Wynd is just off the high street, so down there, and you've got the high street, and obviously you'll be able to see maybe on a nicer day the Lomond Hills, so down there for getting to the primary school, to the shop, to Five Country for walking, and then obviously you've just got that backdrop behind you. But this is your property, and then you have this chipped area just here. You could obviously have it for further parking. And then this patio area just here, so you can get some nice little outdoor furniture. You've got further shrubs and plants. And then you do have the big gate as well for access. So this is your outdoor space. Now we're actually going to start through these patio doors here, but I'll pan round and give you an idea of size. So this is your outdoor space. And then we're going to enter into one of your reception rooms. So this is almost like a informal living dining space. It's actually really nice because it pans around into this living area just here. Now you've got downlighters and you've got quality solid wood flooring, which is just amazing. As you can imagine, in the summer months, those patio doors open, and then family and friends just in this space. What's great as well in here is the plug sockets have the USB points in them. So that's a great addition to have. You then come along and you've got a great size storage cupboard. So as you can see, you've got plenty of storage in there. And you maybe also notice that you've got really quality doors throughout as well. So it's beautifully done down here. So then you have this long corridor. We'll make our way through the rooms. So as I said, you have 2 bedrooms on this level. So you have that 1-level living element. This is one of your bedrooms. Great size. As you can see, you've got fitted wardrobes, not just on that wall, but also on this wall as well. And they've got the mirror inlets, which helps the light bounce off. Again, you've got downlighters and you've got that same quality flooring throughout. So this is 1 bedroom. Then this is where I said you have the brand new wet room. So accessible as well, which is a fantastic addition, but I absolutely love the marble effect that you have obviously with the panels. You have your heated towel rail, you've got a great big shower, rainfall water head, then you've got your WC and sink vanity, and then even a mirror cabinet for storage. But this is a great sized wet room, and as I say, high standard, contemporary, so that is a fantastic addition. Then you have your final bedroom on this level. And again, it is a great size, really spoilt with the size of the rooms down here. And as you can see, you've got space for all of your bedroom furniture. And then you have your radiator just behind the door just there. Now, before we head further along, this is where your other set of patio doors are. So you could obviously look at opening that up if you wish, or you can leave it be. So then we come along. Now that is the staircase to get up. However, we're going to come into your fantastic sized family kitchen dining space. This is probably the real heart of the home. You could even get a big circular table in there if you wish. But this is a great social family space. You could even perhaps look in at doing like a big peninsula, big island or something like that in the middle. But the great thing is you've got the options to make it work for you and your family. You have double oven, you have your hob, extractor, and then space for freestanding appliances. And then you have a relatively new boiler as well. So this is your kitchen space. Plenty of cabinets and worktop area. Again, you've got the downlighters, but what I love is the fact that it is just open plan to your dining area. But yeah, can you just imagine a big island, everybody congregating around it? Just fantastic. And then, as I say, this is probably your main entrance door. As I say, it's brand new, main entrance door to get outside. So that is your lower level accommodation. We can head up the stairs and I can show you the remainder. So as we head up, you'll see this further reception room that I absolutely love. It's also a fantastic size as well. So this is your living room. Isn't this just amazing? So much space for all of your living room furniture, or perhaps it could be a children's playroom. You could do all sorts up here just to make it work for you and your family. But it's just amazing. And then you've got even this wee little alcove area here. But it's lovely and bright. And then you have the view over the rooftops of Strathmiglo. And as I say, on a nicer day, you might just be able to see the Lomond Hills. But just imagine even making like a little window bench here. It'd be amazing. So this is your living room space. Same quality flooring throughout. Now coming off here, you do have a further bedroom. So you've got a little, obviously shelved alcove area just here. You would get a double bed just coming along there. And then there's a couple more rooms to show you. So we come into your final bedroom. Again, double bedroom. So that is your 4 bedrooms. Now this is where your additional bathroom is. Now it is work in progress. You could obviously finish the work if you wish, or you could put your own stamp on it and obviously make your own bathroom. But just imagine, move that radiator, do a radiator just there, like a heated towel rail on that wall there, and just imagine a big freestanding roll top bath. That would be incredible because you've got the space for it. You've already got your WC wash hand basin vanity unit. So you've got all this floor area to utilise. There previously was a shower there, so you could obviously reinstate that. You could take it out and move the shower. You've got so much space to just make it work for you and your family and just finish it off and put your own stamp on it. But obviously that could be main bedroom coming through into an ensuite. But then something else that you have, which is a fantastic addition, is you have this walk-in wardrobe storage area. And again, you just make this work for you, whether you get it completely kitted out, you've got the option to do that. But that is just amazing coming off there. So as I say, that is your second bathroom. And then all of your bedrooms. So let's do a recap of the cottage. So that was the personal property tour for the cottage, Wynd, Strathmiglo. As you've just seen, you're getting this idyllic, really spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2 reception, linked detached family home. There is so much on offer here. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are on the lower level, really spacious, with that really practical and accessible brand new wet room. You have 1 reception room on the lower level coming through those patio doors. You've got that great big family kitchen, dining, open space, which is just real heart of the home and a great area for you. Coming upstairs, you've got your additional reception room. Don't forget it's elevated, which is where I'm standing just now. So you've got the views over the rooftops and the village of Strathmiglo. 2 further bedrooms and also that bathroom that you can finish off and put your own stamp on it. Don't forget you've got your driveway outside for 2 vehicles and also your garden area. Fantastic family home, as I say, and we're tucked away in the sought after village of Strathmiglo. So we're tucked away nice and private and quiet, but you are literally walking distance to the convenience shop, to the primary school. Great the fact that you are literally just a couple of minutes drive. You can be onto the Commuter Links, so you can get to Dundee, Perth, Edinburgh by the M90. You also have a train station either within Ladybank or in Cupar for further commuting. You have the local primary school, as I say, within Strathmiglo itself, but you are in the catchment for the Belbaxter High School within Cupar. And of course, you've got amazing walks around here, whether it be just in the countryside fields or whether you head to Falkland, whether you head to the Lomond Hills. Fantastic location, everything on your doorstep, and this incredible family home. To get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly, or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.